Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So before we get into it, I'd like to say a big massive thank you to each and every one of you who like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. It helps with to fight the algorithm and push the message of Help Heal Serve out to a broader audience. Also, in the comment section below, you will see my Patreon, where I offer a wide range of spiritual services, and don't forget you can now become a channel member. So, what are we going to be speaking about today? So, first of all, you have to understand that you have what it takes to get to where you need to be. Now, what do I mean by that bizarre statement to open up a video? Now, each and every one of you have to understand, as you have oxygen going through your lungs, you have what it takes to manifest things. What do I mean by the word and terminology manifest? Manifest is essentially where you are going to go out and take what you want from life. Now, remember, you are going through what is called a life experience. Now, an experience, it can be good and it can be bad. Now, let's just say for the first part of it, okay? Whilst we have good experiences, we are also going to have bad experiences, but we cannot let a bad experience bring us down. We have to stay on top of things. We have to stay where we need to be. Now, how can we do that? So first of all, there's going to be a lot of you who are thinking, hang on, Jordan, what a bizarre video this is for first thing in the morning. Now understand this, there is a reason why Spirit need you all to know this. Whilst times feel down and whilst times feel hard and you see no light at the end of the tunnel, pick yourself up and drag yourself further forward. Push on. Do never, ever, ever give up on anything in life. Remember, we are not here for the fun. We are not here for the easy life. Nothing in life is easy. Nothing in life comes to us easy if it is worth anything at all. You have to remember that there is no one in life that is going to do this for you. We have to stay strong. We have to push on. We have to remember why we come here in the first place, for this experience. So remember, when things are going bad and you don't see any light at the end of the tunnel, remember these words. You have what it takes. You are where you are now because you have what it takes. You have not given up at any point throughout your life journey. We cannot stop now. We cannot allow hurdles to grind us down. We have to look forward. We have to look for the positives in every negative situation. Now, I know that was a lot for you to take in for an open up with a video. But remember this, there's a reason why I'm saying it. I know there's a lot of people out there at this moment in time who are struggling, who see no end in sight. But this message is to each and every one of you. You are where you are now and you are who you are because of the experiences that you've already overcome. And I can guarantee you 100% there's going to be a wide spectrum of you who've overcome these hurdles, who can see where you are now. And now that you are thinking of it like this, you are going to think, well, actually, hang on a minute. Yeah, I remember back in 2000 when this happened, and I did feel really down and I thought there was no end in sight. And look where I am today. Fast forward to today. Look where I am. So remember, to any of you who just are thinking of giving up or who are thinking, it's difficult. Yes, it's difficult. But you as a person have to appreciate and understand the person that you are. You have to understand that there is nothing, and I mean nothing, in your life path that can prevent you from succeeding. The only thing that can prevent you from succeeding is the mindset that you have. Now, for any of you who have this mindset, and you don't know how to look past it, my first recommendation to you would be meditation. Meditation helps you to align yourself and to connect with yourself on a more personal level so that you can get the clarity and direction that you need. Again, there's got to be a lot of you who are thinking, hang on a minute, Jordan, there's lots of medical conditions. Yes, there are medical conditions out there. Now, understand, again, a lot of these medical conditions need medical help. And if you are somebody who is not getting that medical help, stop pretending that you don't need it. Okay, sometimes in life it's all right to go for help. It's all right to say that, look, I need help. It's very much the case. Now, there's going to be a lot of you out there who might feel might feel embarrassed to go for help. You might just feel, well, hang on a minute, especially let's go speak for males for a minute, yeah, okay? There's a lot of males who will be watching this who will be suffering from mental health conditions, or they'll be suffering from different conditions that they don't want to speak out of. Now, again, there's going to be women who are doing the same, but let's just say for the general consensus, because of the society we live in, it's openly easier for a female to come out and speak of their feelings. However, for a male, it's quite different in that respect. And if you were a female going, well, I don't know what you're talking about there, John, you'd have to be a male to understand this. And there's going to be a lot of things for a female that males don't understand. However, in this example, it is a lot simpler for a female to speak about her emotions than what it is for a male. Now, again, coming back to this life journey, what is it? This life journey is exactly what it says on a tin. It is a life journey. Throughout this life journey, we are going to experience ups and downs, swings and roundabouts. We're going to have all of these different emotions that we are going to be going through. But as a human being, we need to understand that we are a human being. Okay, we don't have superpowers. We don't have abilities that stop us from feeling emotions, because that's just inaccurate. It's not true. And remember, whilst you are looking at somebody else's world and they might be doing absolutely great and they might be having all of the different luxuries that you wish and desire, especially for those of you who want to do tarot or you want to work with spirit, and you might look at someone and try and compare yourself to them. Stop it. Never ever compare yourself to anyone on this earth. You have a lot to give society and to the rest of this earth plane. So do not compare yourself to somebody else. What you have is unique. What you have represents you as a person through the experiences that you've been through. So value that as you. Value that is what you can offer. Stop comparing yourself to other people. Now, if you are somebody out there who has resonated to anything that I've said, drop it down in the comments box. Remember, comments help the algorithm push this message to other people. And please, everyone, embrace life for what it is. Try to look past the negativity. Try to look past the things when they're not going your way. And try to understand what we were here to fulfill. What we were put on this earth plane to carry out. So I would like to thank each and every one of you for your continued support. If you did like this content, be sure to hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And until the next time, bye bye for now.